All right, happy Sunday, everyone. Yeah, we had a round of rain today, a lot less in terms of its coverage and its duration because we're only going to see this one round throughout the rest of this evening and tonight. Showers decreasing and we're actually dry again heading on into the start of tomorrow morning, but tomorrow afternoon heading into early Tuesday morning. We got this next round that's going to come in with quite a bit of wind, and that system will pack a punch with really strong winds, especially for parts of the coast as we head into late tomorrow evening and throughout tomorrow night. Could be some heavy rain again with that, going along with some isolated flooding and maybe a little instability in the atmosphere to help produce a little thunder out there. So we are going to be in first alert mode starting up tomorrow afternoon through Tuesday morning only. The rest of the day Tuesday should be fine, and we're drying out Tuesday to give us a pretty nice forecast heading into Wednesday with that high near 60 degrees. Winds picking up a little bit here into this evening, 53 up to about 16 miles per hour, so kind of breezy here as we head on into the first half of the night. Your temperatures for most spots in the low to mid 50s. We got the upper 30s up across parts of the passes, which is still helping to lend to some of the rain that we're seeing up there, plus melting some of the snowpack that we have up there. But we are going to see those snow levels come back down, and that's going to help produce more snow here as we head over the next couple of days. Heavier batch of rain over the San Juan Islands and up into Whatcom County. We have high wind warnings out for our system coming in tomorrow, starting up at 1 p.m. That's going to linger until 7 a.m. heading into Tuesday morning. It's out this way where we could see some of those gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Also wind advisories for the rest of us here in the lowlands. Same timing with that. Gusts maybe not just quite as high, up to 50 miles per hour, but that could still pack a punch and maybe produce a few power outages to go along with that. Winter storm warnings out with the lower snow levels and that additional moisture coming in. Elevations above 4,000 feet. That means Stevens Pass. That means White Pass. Could see anywhere between a foot to a foot and a half of snow here starting up tomorrow morning through Tuesday afternoon. So going to be a good punch of some snow to go along with that too and help replenish some of the snow that we have lost here over the past few days. Let's talk about the winds because they are breezy here, maybe up to about 35 to 40 miles per hour for this evening. So not quite as strong as what we're expecting heading into the day for tomorrow. And tomorrow morning, this is at about 6 o'clock for you. There's not a lot of wind out there at all. It's not going to be again until the afternoon before we do start to see that pick up initially out towards the coast. And then as for us here closer to the inlands where you can see that big swirl in the atmosphere, that's going to be your low pressure system helping to drive a lot of this. We'll start to see some of those gusts up to about 40, 45 miles per hour getting closer to midnight tomorrow night and just afterwards. And then we'll keep that around until about 7 o'clock before we do start to see those gusts closer to 40 miles per hour working their way off towards the east. As far as some of the rain to go along with that, not a whole lot here for the rest of tonight. Starting off dry again tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock there. Tomorrow afternoon at about 1 to 2 o'clock, we start to see this rain come in. More scattered in nature, more persistent and steady as we head into tomorrow night. And then check out all that blue right there helping to reduce the additional snow that we'll see along with that. 7-day forecast highs in the lower 50s back up to 60 by Wednesday.